Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share how to hide your birthday on Facebook. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app on your phone. And then from here, click on the three vertical bars, top right hand corner of your screen. And then click on the gear icon. And then scroll down and look for profile details under audience and visibility. So click into profile details, and then from here scroll down to where it says basic info, and then click on to edit, and then where it says birthday, your month and day and year, you can set this to both private. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So click on only me, which is private, and where it says public, make that only me, like so. Also, what you can do, if you just want to only show your birth month and day, you can make that public and then hide the year, or vice versa. So yeah, that's it guys, how to hide your birthday in Facebook. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.